Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today we're opening up a topic that's as practical as it is poetic, the umbrella. From sunshade to rain shield, let's explore how this everyday item has been both a literal and figurative cover throughout history. Isn't it something how the sight of an umbrella, be it against a bright, sunny day or a torrential downpour, evokes such a strong image? But where did this versatile tool come from? Picture ancient Egypt over 3,000 years ago. Hieroglyphs depict pharaohs shaded by large, ornate canopies. These weren't just about protection from the sun, they were symbols of divine right and royal power. Similar uses can be seen with the Chinese, where the design included paper and bamboo, and it was considered a status symbol amongst the nobility. Fast forward to ancient Greece and Rome, where umbrellas became a part of daily life, especially for women, as a fashionable accessory for sun protection. It's fascinating how the umbrella has always seemed to straddle the line between utility and ornamentation. Imagine walking through a marketplace in ancient Rome, discussing with a vendor about the latest styles in umbrellas, or umbrae, as they might call them, derived from the Latin word for shade. Now jump to the 17th century in Europe. This is where the umbrella starts to take on the form we're familiar with today. It was introduced as a rain protector, but get this, it was initially considered a feminine accessory. It wasn't until Jonas Hanway, an Englishman, popularized its use for men in the 1750s that the stigma began to change. Imagine if the umbrella had remained a fashion statement only for women. Would modern men be caught scrambling in the rain? In the 19th century, the invention of the steel rib design made umbrellas more durable and affordable, democratizing access to weather protection for the general public. Fast forward to today, and we see umbrellas made with fiberglass, Teflon, and even UV protective coatings, serving purposes that go far beyond just keeping us dry. Every time you open an umbrella, you're not just shielding yourself from the elements. You're participating in an ancient tradition that spans cultures and millennia. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.